If you're just starting your Salesforce journey, stop right here. Because in this video, I am sharing 3 super important things you should know before diving in. Hey everyone, welcome to episode 9 of Learning Salesforce from Scratch. In this series, we are going to learn Salesforce completely from scratch, step by step, in the simplest and the most practical way possible. First thing is that understand what Salesforce actually is. It's not just a CRM or a tool. Think of Salesforce like a massive ecosystem. It has clouds, platforms, apps, automation tools, analytics all interconnected. If you only see it as a CRM software, you will miss how powerful it truly is. When I started, I thought I would just learn how to add contacts and leads. But the deeper I went, I realized Salesforce is like Lego for businesses. You can build anything from sales dashboards to AI driven workflows. Start by exploring trailheads like Salesforce Platform Basics module. It gives you a bird's eye view of how everything fits together. Next, don't try to learn everything at once. Salesforce has multiple roles: admin, developer, consultant, architect, analyst, and so on. And each one has its own roadmap. So before you jump in, decide, do you enjoy logic, coding, or building features? You might love being a developer. Or if you love organizing data, automating processes, managing users, then admin might be your perfect choice. Or do you enjoy understanding business needs and solving them with Salesforce? That's more consultant style. Start with admin trailhead if you're confused. It builds a strong foundation for every role later. Third, practice. Don't just watch tutorials. Salesforce looks simple, but it's all about hands-on experience. Use your trailhead playground. It's like your personal mini Salesforce org where you can play around without breaking anything. Try creating objects, fields, and automation right there. That's how you'll truly get it. When I first started, I watched 10 videos straight, but I didn't learn anything until I actually clicked buttons and made mistakes myself. So, those are your 3 essentials before starting Salesforce. Know what Salesforce really is, choose your learning path, learn hands on with Trailhead. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe button so you don't miss what's coming next. Thanks for watching.